Before we talk winter gardening, I need to show you something tragic. These tomatoes, these poor, defeated end-of-season tomatoes, some rotting on the plant, some absolutely stomped into the soil like they lost a fight they never agreed to. And these tomatoes are part of the garden jungle we inherited from our neighbor. Our neighbor decided gardening was not for her anymore, so we took over her part, as it was. Today we're flipping this garden jungle to a winter-proof garden with brassicas, carrots, beets, and garlic. We'll show you every move how to change your garden from this to this. Stick around, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Welcome back to Strong Echo. On today's video, we've got far more footage than voiceover. So after this intro, you'll see the digging, clearing, rescuing seedlings, planting, and yes, more defeated tomatoes. Today we're attempting a late-season comeback story, taking a garden that looks completely finished and turning it into a head start on spring. Most people stop gardening in November. We're expanding ours. Our neighbor moved out. We took over her garden plot, and it currently looks like the tomatoes staged a revolution and everything else surrendered. There's some brave arugula, a couple of herbs, tomatoes that absolutely gave up, and a pear tree trying to pretend it had nothing to do with the chaos. The rest is weeds, confusion, and at least one plant we still can't identify. You'll see it later if you know what it is. Please save us in the comments. Underneath the mess is an opportunity for a super early spring harvest if you plant the right cold hardy crops now. And yes, the Strong Echo AI gardening app told us exactly what to do. If it works, we take credit. If it doesn't, we blame the robots. Here comes a summary of what's coming up next in this video. After the summary, we won't leave you in silence. We'll let you enjoy the rest of the video under the guidance of some music. So first, we are going to clear everything. We flip the soil, shape the new paths, and hoe the whole area until it finally stops looking like a vegetable retirement home. And when all that is done, it's time for the fun part, planting. We start by planting a few brassicas, the winter warriors. But before we add the new plants, we are rescuing some brassicas we started a few weeks ago in another part of the garden. We had a little space left back then and scattered some seeds, and they exploded into a whole jungle of tiny seedlings, all growing way too close together. Brassicas get massive, so they definitely can't stay there. We're lifting them out and giving them proper space here in the new patch, where they can actually grow into full-size plants, instead of fighting each other for oxygen. After those rescued brassicas are in, we plant the new ones, giving the whole brassica army room to spread, grow, and dominate this winter bed. Just a couple, to set the structure. Then comes our little experiment. We've had a single carrot growing for months. Leave a carrot long enough and it turns into this giant seed tower with huge seed heads. So we're spreading those carrot seeds in a small trench at the back of the new garden. Will it work? No idea. Will it be fun? Absolutely. And after this, we plant the orange beets, mostly because we already bought the seeds and the curiosity is unbearable. We're dying to see what color the leaves become. If they glow, we're definitely filming it. Finally, we tuck garlic into the soil, just where the Strong Echo AI gardening app recommended. Garlic is the perfect companion plant for brassicas, tiny spicy bodyguards with big winter energy. In our other garden beds, we've already planted more brassicas as well, so over the coming weeks we'll have plenty growing. And just like always, all the harvests we don't need will be donated to our partners at Stichting Wikes, so nothing goes to waste. If you spot anything mysterious or have any questions about what you see or what we're doing, drop it in the comments. We gladly answer them all. We'll hope you enjoy the rest of the video with some music. This was it for today. Stick around to see if this messy November plot becomes an early spring success. Will the brassicas thrive? Will the garlic protect them? Will the orange beet surprise us? And will the carrot experiment become legend? Let's find out. This is Strong Echo. You can grow it.